Hi everybody, I'm Geoff and you're watching another astronomer, and today we're going to talk about this. What is it? Well, it's a red dot finder. What it does, it helps you align your telescope with objects in the sky, and if you've just bought a telescope, you probably find it might have already come with one of these anyway. So let's have a look at it and I'll show you how to use it. Now the way this works is it projects a red light onto a clear sort of plastic screen. Now you can see through that screen, so you can see into the sky and anything else. So what we'll do now is we'll go outside and we'll put on the telescope and I'll show you how to set it up. So attaching this to the telescope is fairly easy. Most telescopes will have this kind of bracket and you just slide it in here like this. And then you just tighten these screws here so that it stays on solidly, and then we can start the alignment. So let's just tighten the screws now. See, just like that. That holds it securely and stops it from sliding back. Okay, now we're ready to begin the alignment. So as you can see over there, there's a crane that's being used for construction. At the moment it's not moving, so we'll use that to align our red dot finder. The way we do it is we align a part of that, and we'll just use a big red platform in the middle, to the center of our eyepiece in the telescope. Once we've done that, we can change the knobs on the red dot finder so that they're also in line with that same point. And after that, we'll be able to browse the stars and at night, and where the red dot finder is pointing, the telescope will be at. Okay, so let's just do that now. As you can see, I have this aligned in the middle of the telescope. It's a bit hard to see because I'm using my phone to film it, but it is actually centered in the middle of the telescope. So now that we've got the crane aligned in the viewfinder, we just use this knob here and this knob here to make sure this red dot in the middle of the red dot finder is also in line with the same spot. There you can see it now. So when that's aligned, the next step will be to view the stars, and when this red dot in the center here is pointing at a star, the star will be centered in the viewfinder, and that's how you align a scope with a red dot finder. Well, that's all for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Until then, keep looking up and take care. Bye bye.